I'm so excited. Here we are in the Everglades. We're here down in Florida, our first time ever checking out. We're gonna show you if it's worth it, what you're gonna see and what to expect when you come here, and how much it costs, so stay tuned. Let's go see if we can find some alligators. We booked our Everglades tour with hotel pickup from Miami for 120 Canadian per person, or $60 if you drive yourself. While waiting to board, you'll see peacocks roaming, and watch out for the Nande parakeets. They'll steal your food. Once on the boat, get ready for 45 minutes of speeding through the marshes, spotting alligators, turtles, and some of the 350 bird species that call this place home.
That is a floating dock. You hit the water wet. And some of them fish, they got teeth.
Let's do this.
From?
Canada.
What part of the Great White North?
Alberta.
Alberta, Edmonton or Calgary?
Edmonton.
All right,
Yes.
all right. How many we got?
Two.
Right here all the way down.
Okay.
Nice. Good. Easy. Where are we coming from? Chicago. Chicago. How much you got? Now I do have a few quick safety rules for everyone on the boat. And yes, that does include you. Just keep your arms, legs, head, shoulders, knees, and toes inside the boat at all times because, well, once you hit that water, I will not be going in after you. I'll come get gator bait.
The Everglades itself covers over 1.5 million acres in southern Florida, making it one of the world's largest wetlands. It's the only place on Earth where alligators and crocodiles coexist in the wild, along with hundreds of bird species and other fascinating wildlife. One bird you'll almost definitely spot is the anhinga, which has to spread its wings to dry for up to an hour after diving for fish. We were lucky enough to catch an osprey high in the trees, enjoying its catch of the day. The Everglades only experience two seasons, wet and dry, which completely shape the landscape and wildlife here. During the wet season, the park floods and becomes a massive river of grass, while the dry season concentrates animals around shrinking water sources. This ecosystem is incredibly important because it also supplies drinking water to over 8 million Floridians. Beyond that, the Everglades protects against flooding, supports endangered species, and remains one of the most unique wetlands on Earth. And something very exciting for the park, flamingos are making a comeback in the Everglades after nearly disappearing for decades.
9 years ago, Trey from the Gator Boys rescued him from someone's backyard. He was nearly killed. He was a year old, about a foot and a half long when he was rescued.
He went under the water.
The Everglades is home to over 200,000 American alligators, making them one of the most common wildlife sightings in the park. American crocodiles are far rarer, with only a few thousand living in Florida, mainly in coastal and brackish waters. Alligators can live here over 50 years, grow more than 13 feet long, and play a crucial role in the ecosystem by creating water holes that help other animals survive during the dry season. Included in your Everglades ticket is the Alligator presentation, where guides get up close with live gators, sharing fascinating facts, and even let you touch a smaller one under supervision. After the show, you can also get a rare glimpse of an albino alligator, one of the park's most unique and hard-to-see residents, a truly unforgettable experience.
That's the top speed. What a ripoff. Drowning. She would usually then surface above the water to swallow that food. And that officially makes Devin 0 for 2.
And a fun fact for you, there are only about 100 to 200 albino gators in the entire world, with most of them living in captivity. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give us a like and let us know in the comments if this place is on your bucket list. Ciao for now.